The stock price of NMDC has found itself under pressure on Tuesday's trading session. In fact, it's down by more than 1%. A possible trigger is the OFS announced by the government of India. The government, in fact, is looking to raise almost 3,600 crore rupees by selling a stake of up to 7.49% stake in the iron ore major. To understand the details, it has announced that the original OFS size is around 11.72 crore equity shares. That's 4% of the total paid up equity, and there's a green shoe option of roughly about 10.22 crore equity shares, which amounts to 3.49%. So if in case the entire 11 crore shares is subscribed, then the government will put forward another 10 odd crore shares. So the total size of this OFS comes to 21 odd crore shares, which is a 7.49% stake. Remember that the government already has a 68-ish percent stake in NMDC. Now it's going to be reducing it by close to 7.5%. So the stake now that the government will own if the entire issue is subscribed will be 60.8%. The stake will definitely fall, giving of course the government as well as much as 3,600 crore rupees, because the floor price is 165 rupees per share, which by the way is a 6% discount compared to Monday's closing market price. Now, additionally, remember that NMDC has gained enormously because of the surge in global iron ore prices. Globally, iron ore prices have gone beyond $200 per ton. Back home, NMDC as well has taken a series of price hikes in fines as well as lumps, which is something that has reflected in its quarterly numbers as well. Take for example the fourth quarter numbers. The blended average realization for NMDC in Q4 was just a little under 6,000 rupees per ton versus the roughly 3,600 odd rupees per ton that it was in the corresponding quarter. So that means NMDC has seen a 70% surge in its average realizations. And guess what? Analysts believe that the surge in realizations will continue going forward as well, because NMDC has taken more price hikes. So even in Q1 FY22, we will see an increase in blended realizations. Now, even volumes are picking up because, firstly, iron ore consumption by steel companies has increased, and secondly, NMDC has started mining at the Donimalai mines too from Feb 2021. So in Q1, the volumes will be even better. But of course, the key re-rating for NMDC is going to be the Nagarnar steel plant commissioning and demerger, which is likely to happen in the third quarter, somewhere around October to November. This, according to many analysts, will be a big re-rating moment for NMDC, because now the company will be able to focus on the core mining operations, plus the whole value unlocking of the steel plant as well will bode well for the minority investors.